Let's solve this step by step. We need to find what 1/3 raised to the 6th power equals. To start, let's write out what 1/3 to the 6th power means. It means we multiply 1/3 by itself 6 times. Let's write that out. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's multiply the first two 1/3s. 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 3 is 9. So we get 1/9. Now, we multiply 1/9 by another 1/3. 1 times 1 is 1, and 9 times 3 is 27. So we get 1/27. Let's multiply by another 1/3. 1 times 1 is 1, and 27 times 3 is 81. For the fifth multiplication, we multiply 181 by 1/3. 1 times 1 is 1, and 81 times 3 is 243. Finally, for our last multiplication, we multiply 243 by 1/3. 1 times 1 is 1, and 243 times 3 is 729. Let's look at the pattern we followed. Each time we multiplied by 1/3, our denominator was multiplied by 3. We can see this pattern: 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, and finally 729. Therefore, 1/3 raised to the 6th power equals 1 over 729. We can verify this on a calculator to make sure our answer is correct. This example shows us how exponents can quickly lead to large numbers in the denominator, even when starting with a simple fraction like 1/3.